இப்போ நீங்கள் யார் இந்த பேரண்ட்ஸ் கூட போய் உட்காருங்க இங்கே வேறு
என்ன பண்ணேன்னு சொல்லி
Go to your
என்ன
parents.
பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லி
My wife is a dermatologist. She has not come. I have a son and a daughter. Mine is studying second standard. One is in 9 months. Hey, what is your daughter, sir? Night, night, நான் டான்ஸ் ஆடுறேன்.
என்ன டான்ஸ் ஆட போற என்ன டான்ஸ்
10 o'clock மேல.
Next person will be Dr. Balamurali. Balamurali, get ready. Balamurali.
Son of a native in the UK, Birmingham. 2001 I left for the UK. Internship படிச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் subsequently did my MBA. Became a consultant about 3 years ago. Wife Karthika, she's an electronics engineer. At present, I want to make her own. First one, Samyukta, she is almost 5. September she's starting school. Second one, Varun, is about 2 years old. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next is Dr. Balamurali. Next is Dr. Aravindan. Aravindan, come forward.
ஓகே பாருங்க
Dr. Balamurali, Professor of Pharmacology in a private medical college in Chennai. My wife Sangini, she is a housewife. My son Maudidharan, 1 year old.
Next is Dr. Bhagat Singh.
I'm Dr. Aravindan, working as pediatric surgeon in Madurai Meenakshi Mission Hospital, and presently in cardiac surgery in Government Hospital Madurai. Madurai Medical College. In my exchange from Children's Hospital.
I'm Dr. Kavita. I'm assistant professor of ophthalmology in Madurai Medical College. I'm a part-time consultant at VAS Medicare, Madurai.
My name is Aditi. I am studying 7th standard in TVS Lectures.
Any performance? Any performance? She's singing. Singing. Okay, pardon.
Wait பண்ணுங்க.
ஆரோக்கியம் மாதிரியா அப்படியா சரி நோட் பண்ணி சார் அப்படியா சரி அடுத்து பகத் சிங் டாக்டர் பகத் சிங் அவரிகிரி வார்
Bhagat Singh, I am working as a consultant in Meenakshi Mission Hospital as a neurosurgery department. She's my wife. She's working in government PHC at Tripuramandalam. Elder is my son Ariyan Kumaran, studying 2nd standard. My daughter is studying LKG in Jeevana School. Thank you.
ரெடியா இல்ல அவரிகிரி வார் After Savari, Dr. Kavita, Dindikal. Okay, I try to arrange for you.
Thank you.